what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gadgets123. Thanks again for checking out this video. Thanks for the support. Alright, I have two actual USB drives here. They're both supposed to be 32 gigs, yet one is 32 and the other one's less than 10 megabytes. The reason is it's because you download something or something happened to the drive. There could be many different issues that causes this problem. However, we're going to try to take care of and repair the actual drive to its original capacity so you could basically use it again. So stay tuned for this video, follow it step by step, and we'll get this problem resolved. Alright guys, stay tuned for Gadgets 1, 2, 3. Alrighty guys, so I am here at my PC, so we're going to go over on how to recover the actual capacity on your USB drive if it's been changed to megabytes or any spacing that it's not supposed to be or that is less than what you're supposed to have. Now again, I am going to go super slow with these commands just because this is a beginner's guide, so bear with me. I'm going to try to put as much detail as I can. That's why this video is a little longer than normally. If you're pretty knowledgeable on how to do this, this usually takes you about 3 to 4 minutes max, no more than that, and it should take care of the problem. But again, I'm going to show everybody how this thing works. So I put the USB drive on my actual computer. Now, as you can see, this USB drive is supposed to have, let me see, 32 gigs. And as you can see right now, it shows 9.96 megabytes free of 9.97 megabytes. Now, if you have the same problems, the best thing to do would be the following. So, from your computer, now I'm using a Windows 8 machine right now. So this is a Windows 8 machine. So what I'm going to do is, this works with 7, 8, 10. The commands are pretty much the same. If you have any problems with them, leave a comment on the video and let me know what actual OS you have. That way I could kind of provide you the commands. But I think they're all similar. Again, this is Windows 8. So what you have to do is just right click on the little logo here. So right click it with the mouse and you're going to get this screen. So from here you go to search. Okay, and then you're going to get that search box and you type in Diskpart, one word, P-A-R-T, Diskpart. Alright. So what you do is click on that. You might get this prompt, do you want to allow the following program to make changes? Yes. And then you're going to get the Diskpart command prompt right here. So from here on, what we do is, again, the USB has to be already connected, as you saw, because we saw that in Internet Explorer that the USB shows 9.97 megabytes. Alright, from here we start doing the commands. So the first command is list space disk. So this is going to list the different disks that you have in this computer. For me, I have my internal hard drive, which is a 298 gigabytes, and then the disk 1 is the actual USB drive. So as you can see, it says 29 gigabytes. So that's the one we're going to try to recover. Now again, it shows 29 gigabytes there, but when we go to Internet Explorer, it shows 9.97 megabytes. So next step is to do the following. You type in select disk space 1. So select space disk space 1. So it says disk 1 is now the selected disk. So if we want to look at this again, we'll do list disk just to make sure you selected the right disk. And then you see at the bottom right here, let me just expand this for you guys. Okay, do you see it has an asterisk here and here it doesn't? Because we did is we selected select disk 1. So what it did, the command, it selected the disk 1, which is the right one we have. If the asterisk was on top, then you did it wrong. You have to redo that and you have to retype select disk 1. Do not select disk 0 because that's your internal hard drive. You don't want to clean that out. Alright, so once we're here, we do the next command, which will be clean, and click enter and see what happens. See, Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. So that command basically removes everything from the disk itself. Now we need one more command, which is create partition primary. So we're going to type in create space partition space primary. Okay, so again, create space partition space primary, enter. So it says this part succeeded in creating this specified partition. So that's it. We'll go on exit. After you tap exit, you're out of there. So from here, we're going back to the Explorer. So if you want to know how to get there, best thing to do will be right click the Windows logo. Again, this is Windows 8. Right click the Windows logo and go to File Explorer. You left click now on File Explorer. Okay, File Explorer, you see where it says. Alrighty guys, so the last step we have to do now is basically format the actual USB drive in order to be able to see the size as you see here on my hard drive. Now, the best thing to do is, like I said, right click the Windows logo and go to File Explorer, and it's gonna bring you to this page right here. Now from here, all you have to do is right click the Format Disk D, which is the USB drive. Right click it. Oops, sorry, right click the wrong one. You have to right click the actual drive, because if you click somewhere else, it's gonna give you this. So you have to click the actual drive so you can get all the different options here. So from here, we're gonna just do the last step, which is format. Now, as you can see, finally I get to see the amount of space on my actual drive, and that's all. I mean, all you have to do is click on Start. Formatting will erase. Now, again, keep in mind that it's going to erase everything, but you probably won't have anything in there anyways, just because it, you know, there's really not enough size to actually put anything in that drive. So once you click OK, it's going to format the entire drive. So we're going to wait until it's done, and it should show me the capacity of the drive itself. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and close, and there you go, guys. As you can see, it says not 29.2 gigabytes of free space. So again, very easy to basically restore your damaged actual USB drive by doing these commands. Just follow these commands step by step, and if I was going too fast, just pause it in every step, and then after you do these commands, don't forget to exit the command prompt and then do the last step, which is right click and basically format the actual drive, because you need to see this actual information at the bottom in order to know that the drive's actually ready to be used with the amount of capacity that it's supposed to have. Alright guys, hopefully this video did help you guys out and did help you in regards to restoring your drive. If this video did help, please leave a comment and like the videos. I will be posting more help videos this week. I have a couple more things that I wanted to show you guys, so stay tuned for those. And again, join us on Twitter and join us on Facebook for more videos, and also join us on YouTube. Guys, thanks again for watching this video. Thanks again for the support, and I will see you guys on the next video. Alright guys, take care. See you guys later.